actually here for our first real makeup tutorial. So this one will be a step-by-step guide that you guys can actually be following. We will be going over products, placement, different things like that, so it should make it super easy. But before we start, make sure you guys subscribe to our channel. Right down here we will be posting way more videos. We'll be doing going through some products, we'll be reviewing them, things like that, all the good stuff, and you guys don't want to miss out on not even one video. But today we'll be recreating this gorgeous look on Kenzie. It is a very sunset smoky eye look, so if you want to know how to get this look, go ahead and stay tuned. We will be starting with the NYX Hydra Primer. This one is a hydrating primer that you will put on before the foundation, so we're going to start with this one. Next, we will be using the Pro Longwear Matte Nourishing Foundation. This one is actually a waterproof foundation and does stay on pretty matte all day long. Next, we will be using the It Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye in Medium Tan. This is we'll be using as a concealer and also as an eyeshadow primer, so we'll be putting it on both the eyelid and the under eye. Next, we'll be using the Revolution Baking Powder for under eye. We do put this one over the concealer there. We will let her eyes bake for around 2 minutes. Next, we will be using the e.l.f. Compact Finishing Powder. This one will just smooth in that under eye baking that we just did, and it will finish off that matte makeup look. Next, we'll be priming that eyelid for some eyeshadow using the Catrice Cosmetics Primer for eyeshadow. Obviously, we will be using the Joakim Hill palette today. You guys know that one is my absolute favorite. We're going to be creating a super gorgeous sunset look on Kenzie. Next, we will be using the NYX Epic Ink Eyeliner. This one is a super easy felt tip eyeliner that we use for all of our looks. We will be doing a winged look. Next be using our eyelash extensions we got here, or I guess you could call them strip lashes, but they are super gorgeous. We actually do sell these ones on our website, all available for $6. So go ahead and see how these ones look for this look. I just trimmed the lashes down so they fit Kenzie's eye well, and I will be using the Duo Lash Glue with the tint of black. So when you do put the glue on the lash, you do want to wait a minute, let it air dry a little bit so it does get tacky before putting it on the eyelid there, but make sure you do trim that one and then let that glue sit for a minute before applying the actual lash. Next, we will be using the Morphe Bronzer Palette. This is actually going to be for contouring her cheeks here. We do have a highlighter and a bronzer in this one, so it is super nice to use 2 products in one. So we're gonna go get contouring those cheeks. Next, we will be using the NYX Lip Suede in Soft Spoken. This is a perfect neutral that'll pair with basically every eye look that you have. Now we will be finishing with the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. All we're going to do is spray this one on the face so that our face stays looking fuego all day long. Thank you guys so much for staying tuned and watching this whole video. We loved making this look with you guys and can't wait to see you all recreate it. So make sure you guys go ahead and comment down below with what you guys would love to see next. And
first comment actually wins a $25 NanaMax gift card, so get to commenting, and also make sure you're following us on all of our other social media. We do have Snapchat, Instagram, Pinterest, Facebook, YouTube, of course, so make sure you're subscribed to us, as well as our own personal model Instagrams. You can follow us at nanamax.kenzie, .ellisa, .amy, .kayleen, and .alex. We love talking to you guys, and it's been a super fun video, and we're super excited for what's next.
see you guys next time. Bye.